Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube on Apple TV. So first we need to understand whether you can use YouTube on Apple TV or not. So in order to find that out, I came across this discussion page on Apple, and here you can see that the Apple TV box 4th generation or later, tvOS 13 or later, can have the YouTube TV application added to it. So if you have this device like Apple TV box 4th generation or later, you will be able to easily use YouTube TV in your Apple TV. You just have to simply download it, and you can just click on its icon and you can start playing your favorite videos. For the iPhone iOS 14 or later, or the iPad can have this application as well. And the Apple TV app doesn't do YouTube TV. They are separate application that don't interact. So basically it is saying that the Apple TV application and the YouTube TV application, these two are kind of rival to each other. So currently both of these applications cannot be used on your Apple TV simultaneously with the help of the box. But if you want to use the normal YouTube, you can definitely do it on Apple TV. So I hope I'm clear. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.